guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be providing you all the information that you need, from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to please watch until the end of our episode. Yet, happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us start first with the Neverfull GM. This is from the Resort Women's 2025 collection that will be launching anytime this month. Price of this one is $3,350. So guys, the material of this one is recycled polyester. It is like a PVC translucent material. This is the interior. As you can see, it comes with a detachable PVC pochette as well. Next guys, we have Alma BB. So this collection, so the material is epi leather, and the interior of this collection would be monogram denim lining. First, we have the Alma BB. Price of this one is €2,050 or 2,550 USD. It has already launched May 2nd, 2025. So please do check the website and your CAs for orders. Next on the collection, we have the very beautiful Cluny Mini. Glad that they have bring this back. So price of this one is €2,350. We have SKU here. Material is epi leather in the blue colorway. The interior would be the same monogram denim lining as we can see here. It would come with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, and it would come with gold hardware as well. Next on the collection, we have the Neverfull MM. So guys, actually the colorway of this one kind of reminds me of the vintage Louis Vuitton epi leather pieces, don't you think? So they have modernized the design, of course, with the cotton monogram denim lining. It would also come with cowhide leather trims, and it would come with mini pochette. Next on the collection for the epi leather, so guys, next we have a side trunk size MM. So this is a non-epi leather material. Price of this one is $4,250 USD. Launch date is already May 2nd, 2025. Material of this one is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. So it would come with gold hardware. It would come with 2 straps, top handle, and crossbody leather strap. Next on the collection, we have Odyssee. So also this is already available online on the store. Check with your CAs. But the price of this one is €2,650 or 3,000 USD. We have SKU here. Material is monogram canvas. It would come with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather shoulder strap. It would come with chain strap and gold hardware. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramirafy. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so these are the preview guys. So we don't have much information like the launch date, but we have first the Pochette Valley. This is the new denim collection. First price is $2,010 USD. We have SKU here for reference. Kindly take a screenshot. Material is monogram denim. It would come with cowhide leather trims, detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next on the denim collection, we have the very beautiful Neverfull MM. Price of this one is 3,150 USD. Kindly screenshot the SKU. Material is the monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. It would come, of course, with detachable mini pochette. It would also come with the denim bag tag, as we could see here. So of course, I believe you could wear this one inside out, being the denim would be the outside part. And then we have the Diane PM. Price of this one is 3,250 USD. We have SKU here from the new denim collection. Material is monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. It would come with two straps. It would come with a top handle strap. It would come with a longer strap as well. Then of course, it would come with gold hardware. Next, guys, we have the Dauphine Soft GM. Price of this one is 4,700 USD. As case provided, please take a screenshot from the new denim collection. Material is the same. Monogram denim. It would come with untreated vachetta leather trims. It would come with adjustable shoulder strap, vachetta shoulder strap, as we can see here. It would come with gold hardware. Next on the collection, we have the On The Go, the very cute size PM. Price of this one is 4,000 USD. We have SKU here from the new denim collection. Material is monogram denim, cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap. It would come with a bag tag, and it would come with gold hardware. I love the PM size because it comes with detachable leather strap. Next, we have SLG. We have Vitrine Wallet. Price of this one is 720 USD. SK is provided. Please take a screenshot. So as you can see, apologies for the blurry photos because these are just leak photos, guys. Once I have more photos and information on the new denim collection, kindly stay tuned for the new vlog. So just make sure you are currently subscribed so that you're going to receive the latest update. Then we have very beautiful pochette heels, perfect for the spring summer. Then this time price is 2,060 USD. You have SKU here. Material of this one is raffia, so as you can see, you could see the interior. It would come with cowhide leather trims. The strap that it comes with is fully adjustable, but of course it is non-detachable. Then we have the Rivage GM. So this is the revival from the vintage design. So price of this one is 2,040 USD. We have SKU here. Material is, I'm guessing, is an abaca weave. This is actually very famous here in the Philippines, this kind of weave and material. But it would come with cowhide leather trims, top handle, bag tag, and it would come with longer leather strap. Then guys, we have vanity pouch. The material is raffia. So price of this one is 2,620 USD. So this one, of course, it would come with leather trims. I love the fully detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would come with padlock and key set as well. But guys, the vanity pouch, this is like a slimmer version compared to the earlier vanity pouches that LV has released. Then guys, we have Capucines mini. So price of this one is not available, but we have SKU here. So this is from the Halo collection. So this is just a preview. I'll be sharing more once I have more info. Material of this one is cerulean leather, and what I love is the embellished top handle. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Hopefully you did. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a heart-shaped emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.